Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Warzone at the main menu. This matters because some settings only load there. Once logged in, plug in or sync your controller and confirm firmware updates so inputs register correctly. Next, navigate to the options or settings icon. Don't dive into a match yet. This first actionable step prepares the game to show controller-specific toggles and makes sure your changes will apply immediately to your active profile and platform. You now open Settings and choose the Controller or Accessibility tab. That's where vibration controls live. Once there, find the Vibration, Rumble, or Haptics entry. It may be nested under Gameplay or Audio depending on updates. Switch the toggle to off and check any sub-options like Melee Rumble or Enemy Hit Feedback and disable those too. Make sure to apply or save changes. This ensures the engine stops sending vibration commands to your controller during matches. You finish by saving settings and immediately testing in a practice match or firing range to confirm no vibration occurs. If you still feel rumble, make sure platform-level haptics aren't overriding the game. Check PS/Xbox system settings or Steam/DS for software. Once done, restart the game or console. This often clears cached inputs. If problems persist, reset the controller or reinstall drivers, because lingering firmware or platform overrides are the most common causes of ignored in-game vibration toggles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.